So, hey guys, in case you didn't know, me and Ryan didn't really pull off the all-nighter. Well, I fell asleep at like 3, and then we got off the phone, and I woke up 15 minutes later, and I didn't call her back. Jared, what happened to all your hair? And just, yeah, I got a haircut. But I like it. It's okay. I have my webcam set up over here just to see if I'm like in focus. You know what I mean? I can see what you see even though I can't see what. Oh, if you can see in the background, which you probably can. Well, the second time I filmed this, and I've been filming for like 10 minutes, and look back at my camera, and it's not recording. I want to see if it's recording right now. Hold on. It is, and the background's probably a distraction, so let's move to a better spot. A better spot. In case you didn't notice, I'm in a different location. But I'm sitting on top of my sister's Snuggie and another blanket, and I'm sitting next to my iPad. Oh hey, I'm sitting on top of a desk thing, and it's not very comfy, but now I don't have a distracting background, hopefully. Oh my gosh, I just burped like 6 times. I'm not gonna name it anything with burping because burping's disgusting. So yeah, that's just about it. I'll see you later. I'll probably make another video today because I'm black. Okay. I didn't mean that in a racist way. Please don't hate me. Okay, bye.